Is the one that they can build. There is no time to touch your balls. There is no time to face off. There is no time to be disappointed. There is no time to chop back individual performance. But this is not about being happy with individual performance. It's being happy with the result. And we lost. And we lost. And we have. And let's try to kill the game. Let's try to score and kill the game. If you do.
To learn, sometimes you have to clap the opponent when they are better than you, and that was the case on the day as well. And learn from it and challenge yourself to be better.
You know about your playing long balls up to Harlem, which you don't see Man City do. John Stones this season, we've seen sort of
Be better, and that's the level that we are competing with. So we'll try again our best.